Want to delete a Snapchat chat without them knowing? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove conversations secretly on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat on your iPhone. Now tap on your profile icon. Then open the settings icon in the top right corner. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on privacy controls. Here, look for an option called clear data and tap on. Now tap on clear conversations. You'll see a list of all your recent chats. Simply tap the X icon next to the chat you want to remove. After that, confirm by selecting Clear or Delete Conversation. Now go back to your chat section, and you'll see the conversation is removed from your list. Keep in mind, this only removes the chat from your side, and depending on Snapchat updates, the other person may still have their copy of messages. And that's how you can delete Snapchat chats quickly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat and social media tips.